I have decided to try vlogging again. Say hi, mother.
Hi.
This is an experiment.
Alright, come on.
This is an experiment. Ah! Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, thank you. We are at the bird park and I am mildly terrified.
Mildly terrified.
Yes, mildly terrified. Is someone calling me? Mother, you are FaceTiming me. We are at the bird park and I am vaguely terrified because there are birds just kind of around. There is a bird like right above me right now.
There, up there, there's a heron. Is that a heron?
Is that a heron? I don't know if that's a heron. I do not know my birds.
Oh, at the store. Look at it. Orange color.
My mother just asked if that was a heron. I have no idea.
The one up there.
Yeah. I don't know. Okay, I am not a bird person. Although this one is pretty because it is blue. Yes, look at me.
Hello.
What do you want, bird?
Someone just said hello. Yep.
Some bird just said hi.
You can talk as well.
I just don't know which one it is. Oh, jeez. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Although this bird looks like it's really silky. It's like right here. Oh boy. Oh boy. I am feeling very intimidated. Oh god, birds everywhere. Birds everywhere.
Hi, bye, peacock. Okay, bye, peacock. Let's go.
Now I am aware that the monkey is technically my brethren, but it should not be here and I am very scared. And I am not going any nearer because I am afraid that it is going to steal my camera.
Unless you have food.
It might. You never know.
Remember you stole Stephanie's food?
Yeah, exactly. Where are these monkeys supposed to be? Hang on. Oh, there they are. They're supposed to be above the net. Is this a turkey? I can't look at turkeys without thinking of hey you down there.
Thinking of Christmas dinner. I think there's also a secretary bird here.
Zazu? Are we looking for Zazu?
Yes.
Do you want to feed the bird?
Yeah, she will say yes to everything. Wait first. Okay. Tengok siapa. Ah.
Man, this thing is noisy. Am I playing Pokemon Go while at the bird park? Yes, I am. Because why not? Aww! Lori's feeding. Yep. Ooh, this one's pretty.
Ooh, that one. Closer, closer.
Hi. Right now, thank you very much. We are relegated to being up here because there is no way of getting the pram down.
Pretty sure there is. I can just see probably the last row.
Yeah, but how are we gonna get down?
Skills.
Mm-hmm.
All the way. Alright. One by one to adulting. Ready? And go. First swing and the second swing. Alright, a big hand for pilot as well as our volunteers. Thank you. Come on, pilot.
We've got an interloper. Oh, it's gone away.
So, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1.
they're so white. Education station. My only problem is I can't go up the stairs. The one step. They're so fluffy and they smell weirdly nice. Ostriches and emus. Emus? Emus. I don't know how to pronounce this bird. Oh hell, these birds stink and clearly they do not want your vegetables. Oh hello, southern cassowary. I just like your head. This is a very dopey looking bird. Hi. This is the closest I'm gonna get because it is terrifyingly huge and also really near. Bye. Take 2 down this road because we went to zone 3 and 4, but not 1 and 2. How does this child still have energy? Well, then again, we just had lunch. Such a majestic tail. Came out to have a good time and I'm honestly feeling threatened right now. I never realized that that was how their legs went.
Yeah. Did you know?
No, I thought it was always just like up. These are apparently purple swamp hens. And now I finally know what a swamp hen looks like. Although this is not the reunion swamp hen because that is extinct.
They don't even know where it is.
They're just
Trying their luck. It's Kathleen just giving up on life. Just throwing the food in. Hungry, hungry fishies.
bunnies, bunnies, bunnies. Where are the bunnies? Where's a bunny? Oh my gosh. Bunnies! Oh, it's so dark in here. Oh my gosh, you're just so lazy. I want you. Why do the chickens get to be in the hutch? Or whatever. Coop? Is this a coop? I don't know if this is a coop. Why are they in here when all the other birds are out and about? Yo, chicken.
No, I cannot.
We have basically now established that these birds are demons in disguise. I am gonna drop a food pellet randomly in the middle and see what happens. Okay, that felt really mean.